have a sort of basic entry level trigonometric graph problem. And let's see what we've got here. So it says the figure shows a graph of a sinusoidal function g. What are the values of the period and the amplitude of g? Okay, so period is how often it repeats. So period is how often it repeats. And I usually like to look at it this way. I find sort of starting at the x-axis, go through one cycle, going up, going down, and coming back, and that's going to be a period. You could also look at 2 consecutive maxima or 2 consecutive minima. You'll get the same value for the period. And I can see from 1 to 9, the period is 8. Now, the amplitude. The amplitude is how far from, I'll call it midline, we go. So usually a standard sine curve or cosine curve has amplitude 1 because it goes from 0 up to positive 1 and down to negative 1. You don't count distance between highest and lowest, you count distance from the middle to the top or middle to the bottom. In here, I can see that my middle is 0, and I go either up 3 or down 3 to get there. So amplitude is 3. So period is 8, amplitude is 3. My answer is B.